Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking in this video today. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a ton of motivation. I really hope this gives you a ton of motivation for you to tackle your work around your house. So what I'm doing today, I'm just going to be doing my dishes. As you can see, I'm done doing the dishes and clean the kitchen. I also have some laundry to be done. I'm going to be extremely cleaning the kitchen because I need to wipe down everything, the cabinet and stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't already, please press that subscribe button. It will help me so much.
Nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm
Also, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kade. I'm a mom of two. My son, who is 4, and my daughter is 2. I used to work, but at the moment, because of everything going around the world, I'm not working at the moment. So that's when I was getting bored. I said, oh, I like watching YouTube videos. I like to watch people cleaning. I said, oh, why don't I just do this as well to motivate other people? So that's when last week I decided finally to start. And then so I will really like you to press that subscribe button before you leave today, and turn your bell notification so you will get notified whenever I post. And also guys, please don't forget to like this video. You help me so much. I hope you enjoy it.
So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. I need somebody to love. ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things like you know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby.
So guys, while I was cleaning the kitchen, I realized that my fridge needed to be clean as well. So right now I'm just taking everything out of the fridge so I can clean everything, wipe everything down. It's not a deep clean or anything. I just needed to wipe down everything. The kids, when they go to grab stuff or something, they just spilled everything in there. So I need to wipe it often.
Always be mine. Oh, yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. Tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and
So guys, this is the next day now. I'm just gonna be folding all the laundry I done yesterday because I air dry my clothes, so that's why I always have to wait the next day when they dry for me to fold it. I'm just gonna fold the clothes and put everything away.
remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war zone, I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, I know that it's difficult dealing with emotions, but I want you to know that you'll always be on my mind. Even in the hard times, I care about you. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head.
So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope it gives you a lot of motivation for you to get your job around the house done as well, and I hope you enjoy. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and turn on your bell notification so you get notified whenever I post, and please give this video a big like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I just wanna love you a little bit more.